In this video, we're going to make a Windows 10 RSAT remote administration server. It'll be based on a Windows 10 ISO image created in VMware, and we'll be installing the Windows 10 remote administration tool provided from Microsoft and the remote connection desktop manager. So after we finish setting up our virtual machine, let's start it and enter. It's a similar install. Don't have a product key at this time, and we'll select Pro. It's needed to be able to join the domain. Custom install is used for new installs, and we'll just copy over our files. I'll choose US and no keyboard selection, and there are a few updates. I'm not sure the difference between personal and organization setup here. I'll be creating a local user and then joining the domain after I put in a static IP and change the name. I won't use Cortana at this time. I'll turn off a few services, but most of the services will be controlled through group policy objects later. Again, there is some more updates. I'm not going to do that at this time. Let's change the name on this machine. And let's change our DNS setting so we can join this domain controller. I'll install the VMware guest add-on tools as well and reboot to allow my settings to take hold, specifically the name change. Okay, now we can log in and change our workgroup to domain and join Techmore. It's around this time I start to realize without Chrome already installed, I won't be able to use Edge. And I do some behind the scenes work and copy over the installer, but I should have done that beforehand. Internet Explorer is not provided, and Edge can't be used by default by an administrator. There's obviously a setting you can change so you can use it, but I didn't want to do that at that time. Now you can see me looking for Windows 10 RSAT Remote Server Administration Tool. I'll download specifically the Windows 10 version. And Remote Desktop Connection Manager. Now we can log back in and attempt to open up some of the administration tools. We'll create a new user and move them into sysadmin. We'll first move our administrator there. We'll copy them, and we'll create our user. Let's log out and log back in. We can now open Active Directory users and computers and Group Policy Manager. I'll pin them to the taskbar. And we can see our computers found under Computers. We can now set up our Remote Desktop Connection Manager for remote access to the desktops if we need access to the servers, and as we start to roll out some more computers. Because I copied the administrator's account, I already have access remotely for domain computers. Let's adjust the display settings to be scaled so that way the server windows fit in nicely. I'll add my other server, and we're starting to get our network together. Save it on the desktop and you can reopen it